This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces, all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's take three cards for you and then we'll move to your person next. First card we have for you is the Empress. So many of you guys could be trying to stay focused on your personal growth. This could be regarding your personal life, your financial life, or like if you're a mother, you're more focused on the future of your kids. So I see you being very focused on your own self, giving into your own self. Looking after yourself. Like your looks, maybe your body. Work like basically working like on yourself for the better good. Okay. So in terms of what else do we see happening in Pisces life currently from now until the end of the month, please? Many of you guys could be walking away from a turbulent situation or a very stressful situation. You guys are choosing peace over drama, okay, like you have to. But I see you getting away. Some of you guys could also be traveling this very like in the next couple of months. I see you like choosing to go away or get away. Some of you guys could be also moving out from a place if you are living in. Okay. uh, like what else do we see? What else do we see? If you were a part of a turbulent or stressful situation or relationship, I see you moving away or moving on or trying to move on. One more card for Pisces, please. With Ace of Pentacles, you're very focused on starting something new in your life. This could be a new job, a new career option, or a new relationship altogether. But you guys are very focused on something new. This could also be that you guys are focused on investing into a new plan or a new project. Okay. So I see like good things coming in your life. You may be a bit stressed out, but you are also moving towards something better and something healthier. Okay. One more card. In terms of your relationship, what's going on, Pisces? In terms of your relationship, what do you see going on? With Six of Cups, maybe some of you guys are thinking of your person or your soulmate. Okay. You guys are still very attracted to them. Okay. Some of you, this person might try to return or has returned or will return, but with Six of Cups, I do see a return of a soulmate. Okay. In terms of that, one card for what's your soulmate up to? What's your soulmate up to, Pisces? With the Wheel of Fortune, I feel your person has been trying to reach out. If they like if you are not really sure what they up to, they have been silent in the past. But with like Wheel of Fortune, this person has been trying to move forward now. Okay. In terms of how they're thinking about you now, in terms of how they're thinking about you, I see in the past they were not very communicative, or almost silent. With the Justice card, they want to fix things with you, or possibly work things out with you, or bring in balance, or like possibly compromise and see where things could go with you, work things out somehow. With Wheel of Fortune, they do have a plan and they do want to move things forward with it. Okay. In terms of their energy towards you now, what's their energy towards you, Pisces soulmate? In terms of energy with Six of Pentacles, I see them trying to balance things. If things were very one-sided in the past, like you were the one who was giving in everything and they were the one who were taking, then I believe they want to bring in balance. They want to be the one who's giving now, or they want to find that balance with you, like give and take. Okay. So I do like see that happening. In terms of how do they view you now? In terms of how do they view you now, Pisces soulmate, how do they view Pisces? With Four of Wands, this person definitely looks at you as someone they want to hold on to, or look forward to, or get married with, or possibly have a future with long term. Okay. They do not want to hold on to you for the sake of like a couple of months, or like till they find something better. No, they want to hold on to you for life. Okay. One more card. In terms of their feelings for Pisces, how do they truly feel for Pisces? One card for that, please. In terms of feelings with Five of Pentacles, they've been missing you. Okay. You could be not very communicative or not open to them like you used to. You're completely trying to focus on yourself, so I don't see you trying to focus on them. So you like taking back the whole focus on yourself now has been pushed them towards like moving towards you, or making a move towards you, or trying to fix this with you. Okay, now that you've completely focused on yourself and you're not giving into them now, and yeah, they're trying to like wonder what's up with you, and they don't want to lose you definitely, because they want to hold on to you for a long term. So right now they do miss you. Okay, and I very much see them trying to work things out, or planning something like to come forward. Okay, in terms of what's going on in their heart space, what's going on in their heart space currently. Pisces, soulmates for Pisces. In terms of their heart space, if they had a choice, say suppose they had a choice, they are wanting to choose you sexually as well. They are very much into you. They are very attracted, and they want to just do you. Okay, sexually, emotionally, they just want to hold on to you and just do you. To be honest, with Four of Cups, I feel that this person right now kind of feels rejected, or they're going to lose an opportunity if they do not make a move. So that's something that is literally pushing them towards you now. Okay, the fear of losing you. Okay, one card for what are they ready to offer you now? What are they ready to offer you? With Two of Wands, I still see them at crossroads. So some of them might be at a distance, doesn't have to be, but this for some of you might be a long distance relationship. Okay, one card for what can Pisces expect in terms of action? What can Pisces expect in terms of action, please? In terms of action, this person is planning to take action, but they might take some time. It might not happen in a couple of days. It might take a week or so. Okay, like what's really blocking them? What's really getting in the way? Actually getting in the way for Pisces. A choice. They have to drop something to choose you, or they have to make a choice of like moving forward or travel to in order to see you, but they have a choice to make, and that is definitely getting in the way. If it's not choices, they have to make a decision, like they should come now or later, or choose you or choose something else. So that could be very much getting in the way. Indecision is very much getting in the way. Some of you could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or some of you with a fire sign, Taurus, Sagittarius, Aries. Selected few of you, I see Taurus. Okay, one card for what else like could be getting in the way of this connection. Eight of Pentacles. Some like it's either you or them could be very much into their work, like a workaholic. So they do not they feel they do not have the time to work things out. If they feel that way, then they are very much going to lose you, but it's up to them, right? It's going to be a choice. Okay, but with Eight of Pentacles, for some of you, your person wanted this, but they did not put in that necessary effort to fix things with you, and that could be the reason why you're moving away, or you're getting away, or you have planned to walk away. Okay, one more card. From your side, what could be blocking the connection, if at all something is blocking Pisces? Your side, I believe you were, like you are wanting to walk away. Like you are no longer wanting to hold on to this, because emotionally this has been draining. It's been disturbing. It's been so messed up and full of drama. You do not no longer want to be a part of something that is going to just bring in more drama in your life. You rather choose something much more healthier, peaceful, and something that like gives you that reassurance that you can hold on to this for long. Okay, for some of you, this they could have put you into a third party, and you're not very much ready for that, like to trust them all over again and to go through it all over again. So that could also be getting in the way. In terms of what do they want from you now, what do they really want from you? This person definitely wants you to look forward to this connection. They want a relationship. Yes, they may take time. Yes, they may possibly be still be not acting like on what they want with you, but still I see them wanting this relationship with you, wanting a romantic relationship with you, wanting to choose you, not just keep you as a side option, but wanting to choose you. Okay, with Nine of Cups, they have lots of feelings for you. You are their dream person, even if they do not make you feel that way. I very much see that. Okay, so for now, where do we see this going? With Four of Pentacles, I feel you're holding back, right? And even they were holding back, but I see them trying to hold on to you now. You may be holding back, you may be walking away or just getting away, but them, I see they are wanting to hold on to this, like they are wanting to save you, they are wanting to not like save you, but like stay fixated. Okay, they don't want to lose this connection, or they do not want you to get away, so they'll try to keep you somehow. Okay, they want to hold you very close now. Okay, so that's the card. One card for what they've been hiding from you, what they've been hiding from you. With Ace of Wands, they do want this connection, and they've always wanted to come forward, but something could have got in the way. It's either their work life or something definitely got in the way. You know better, but yes, they also have a very negative way of thinking about life. Like even that could have got in the way for selected few of you. For that thing, I believe they could be a air sign or a Virgo. Overthinkers, air signs, or a Virgo for that thing. So yes, one more card. For what's their overall intention going to be like towards this connection? Overall like intention is going to be planning and moving forward in this connection. Okay, they are definitely planning something. So yes, you may possibly expect them like this very month. Okay, they may take time, but I see them coming back by this month. Okay, they might not exactly open up much, but they'll give you a sly like idea that they want to hold on to this and work things out with you. Okay, so what else should Pisces be knowing about their person? Give me 3 cards for that, Spirit. So you could be breaking free, or you are not ready now. In the past, this person broke free because they were not exactly ready for this. Okay, like currently what's happening, Spirit? Currently what's happening? You could be out of their league, to be honest. They are very insecure about you. They do not know why you want them or why you wanted them. So that could have always got in the way. So that insecurity, that fear, that oh my god, this is like, this person is out of my league. Why are they choosing me? Like would they hold on to me, or is this even real? So that could be like kind of getting in the way. So in terms of the future, what do we see happening in terms of the future? Change, your love life will change, just like I told you. It may take time, but it's moving in a positive direction. That is if you want it. Okay, eyes only on you, focused. So this person is trying to focus back on you and work things out with you. So yes, this was your Pisces reading for the month of April throughout for the next 2 weeks. So if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Please support the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you want to get a personal reading from me, please reach out on my website that's given in the details below and book one for yourself. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.